Paris is getting ready to celebrate famous Prince Ali's birthday. Marinette?
Oh, yeah. What do you think of my new Squishies? Pretty cute, right?
What new Squishies?
Marinette, we're magical creatures, remember? We can't be seen or heard on screens or in photographs. That's why I'm not showing up on these magic paintings. Right. You can only see me and I look completely ridiculous, don't I?
Marinette, are you feeling okay?
Ah, hey girls! So happy to see you now. It's just the perfect time for a chat. Did you see new Squishies? Show us. Squishies? What Squishies?
Marinette, you okay?
How'd your friends lock themselves in this picture frame? They look so cute. I want her as my holder. She's taken. Why does Trix get to have a holder when we don't?
Marinette, you're acting weirder than usual.
I'm just working out. I came up with this workout. It's a super special workout to be in shape before making Squishies. You should get some fresh air. You look overwhelmed.
Wait a minute. Awkward gesturing, ridiculous babbling, weird excuses, clumsiness overload. Is Adrian there?
What? Of course not. Luca?
You called it like, alright.
Oh, that's so cute! Girl, Luca! Hi!
Hi, and thanks for the pictures.
What do you mean, thanks?
Thanks for the photos of your bedroom and of Adrian.
My room! Yeah, it's full of photos of Adrian because I'm using them for fashion pics for my blog, and I need your opinion on them because I know that you have great taste, Adrian.
My name is Luca.
Of course, Adrian! I mean, Luca! You're Luca, obviously, and because you're you, and I am me, Marinette. I'm so sorry, it's just that I've been so busted! Busy!
No problem, Marinette. It's cool. So, you ready?
Ready for what?
Well, our date.
Marinette? Luca is waiting for you. Right! Okay, I'll be right there. Remember, be good. Hi, Tiki.